Click cancel transmute across all time, space, dimensions, and realities. Let's begin. We have a review on the private label rights blowout that was just released by Kevin Fahey, an internet marketer who really produces some high quality products. And in this particular offer, he has pretty much his greatest selling products all bundled together, and he's giving you all the rights, and I mean everything, even the one-time offers, everything. This is the biggest PLR blowout sale that I've personally ever bear witness to. Let's go ahead and scroll and see some of the products here. You can find this at wcrpro.info/PLR Blowout. 13 complete done-for-you marketing funnels and all kinds of private label rights, including the video sales letter, the professional page builder templates, all the products. Look, let's look at the range here. There's the work from home jobs PLR products. Has all the modules, the checklist, the research, the sales letter, thank you page, even the lead magnets and download pages, even articles, 10 articles, promotional email series to promote it, the license pack, everything. And like I said, even the one-time offers, the pro upgrades, professional sales videos with female voiceovers and male voiceovers. You can edit the PowerPoint slides, the opt-in page, the sales page, the download page, the thank you pages, everything, folks. Everything. Second package here. These are also opportunities. Not only is it an opportunity, but it's trainings too. And you're getting the PLR involved. So you can actually learn while you earn. You can promote them as is. You could change the graphics if you chose, although I wouldn't change these graphics at all. Look at them. It's pretty high quality here. And again, you're getting the pro upgrade part. And what that means is, you'll notice with a lot of digital products, and information type products, well, a lot of even physical products in the nutritional supplements world, if you come and buy the product on the front end page, as soon as you buy, you'll notice they'll say, but wait, other buyers have also liked this particular product, or but wait, consider this particular upgrade, things of that nature. I'm sure you've come across that online. Well, what he's giving you is the upgrades and the one-time offers. He's including it all. And it's fully editable. You can edit them any way you want. Although again, like I said, I wouldn't do too much editing because it's already supreme high quality here. This is everything you're getting. You're getting all of these. We're only on number 11 here. You're getting all of these, folks. High quality products that the market wants, needs, is looking for. Gotta get this. Even some of the self-help, personal development, as you can see. And all you're gonna do is just upload these to your web host, and that's easy to do. There's instructions on how to do this inside in the back office. And I do have a special bonus that I'm giving away too, so don't leave yet, because toward the end of this video I'll go ahead and show you my bonus. And it was kind of hard to figure out what type of bonus to give with an offer such as this when you're getting so much. And this is the checklist part of this PLR blowout that you'll find at wcrpro.info/PLR blowout. You're also getting checklists. If you've been online for a while now, you know that these checklists are pretty hot, high in demand. Checklist is something real easy and quick for the subscriber, the viewer, the customer, the student. You can easily digest these. You can sort of consider a checklist as the Cliff Notes versions of all the trainings here. and you're getting the private label rights to it. So you're not only getting it, but you're getting the rights to resell it as you want, with your name on it, your own branding, should you choose. Tons of products here available. The biggest PLR blowout I've ever seen. There's even something on YouTube advertising, full checklist, PLR rights to this. Copywriting, gotta know copywriting. ClickBank marketing, a lot of people are wanting to know how to best market ClickBank products. Got that here, LinkedIn marketing checklist. It's all here, folks. It's all here. Again, you're gonna wanna go to wcrpro.info/PLR Blowout. There's just so much on this page. You wanna see it all? Go ahead and take a visit. And just go ahead and download. And then upload to your web server according to the instructions, the installation instructions. You can upload them all. You can upload one at a time. Sell a few, package it as a bundle. Sell a few, then upload some more, make some more money. The income is pretty endless here. Pretty endless. Look, it just goes on and on. You're not going to lose with high quality video training products and high quality checklists to boot. Everything's rebrandable. Everything. You can print out everything for your own usage or for your client's usage. Even if you have a brick and mortar type business, you could have printed versions of these checklists out on your counter. Valuable. This is what you're getting. And you're getting live training, the Gold Vault training, all the access to all these trainings. A lot of them are like over 2 hours long or more each. Kevin Fahey really does an excellent job at training people how to have success online. You're also getting access to the download PLRproducts.com site. You're getting a free membership. It's a paid site there, but you're going to get that included with this package. It's a one-time cost. You're also getting these offers. All of this you see is coming with it. All of this you see. And of course, a few other marketers, testimonials who've already used Kevin Fahey's products. I, William C. Rogers, am a customer of Kevin's as well. In fact, I've been a customer of Kevin's since, at least 2012, at least. I want to say it was when I first bought one of his products. It was actually kind of interesting. Once on one of his trainings, we kind of discussed that, and we started talking about some of his first products that he made. And I was actually there when he put out those products, and I purchased those products. And let me tell you, I made money off of Kevin Fahey's products. Excellent marketing. And he's still in business, still pumping out the quality. Let's recap. Here it is, 13 complete done-for-you marketing funnels. Full PLR access you're getting. Lifetime access to the IM checklist. That's over 1,100 checklists in totals. 1,100, folks. The Gold Training Vault. All those live webinar trainings that I said were like 2 hours plus long each. Most of them are. Some of them in 3 hours. Lifetime access to the download PLR product site. Exclusive private label rights to top selling reports. You're getting it all. You're getting it all. Now let's go ahead and go over to the bonus that I was speaking about. Like I said, it took me a while to figure out what type of bonus I could really offer you guys. But it's resorted to traffic training, because with all of the particular models you're going to come across one thing's for sure, you're gonna need traffic. You're always gonna need traffic. So I'm gonna give you access to my traffic training course. 8 traffic lessons, traffic you can order now, 18 traffic sources, digital products creation training. This here will actually show you how to set up digital information products, and such as what you're getting from Kevin Fahey's PLR Blowout course. And once again, that is at wcrpro.info/PLR Blowout. Just look at some of this training that I'm giving you as a bonus. This is the page you're gonna have access to all of these videos, and this is at no additional cost. You just have to purchase Kevin's PLR Blowout through my link, which is wcrpro.info/PLR Blowout. Goes on and on. Exclusive training for me, William C. Rogers. I just wanted to give you access to everything you could possibly need so that you can have the highest probability of success, folks. Once again, this is William C. Rogers, offering you the opportunity of a lifetime at wcrpro.info/PLR Blowout. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.